Manually following hundreds of LinkedIn profiles to build your audience? Clicking follow buttons one by one is not just tedious, it's a massive waste of your time. There's a smarter approach. This Make.com blueprint integrates seamlessly with ConnectSafely.AI to automate your LinkedIn follow workflow. Simply import this blueprint, connect your accounts, and start building your network on autopilot. Here's the workflow. First, it reads your target list from Google Sheets, names, LinkedIn URLs, and any custom tracking info. Then, it automatically follows each profile through ConnectSafely's compliant LinkedIn API. Finally, it updates your spreadsheet in real time with success status and confirmation messages. No more manual clicking. No more losing track of who you followed. Just maintain your list in Google Sheets, and the automation handles the rest. Scale your LinkedIn presence while you focus on creating content and engaging with your growing audience. Ready to grow your LinkedIn following effortlessly? Download this blueprint from the link below, connect it to your ConnectSafely.AI account, and start automating your follow strategy today. Your audience is out there. Let's automate the way you reach them.